Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable the blue light filter on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. So the first thing that we need to do is open the settings, and then in the settings you want to scroll down and go to display. In display, go to Eye Comfort Shield. If you tap here, then you will find the settings for the blue light filter. You can tap on this slider over here in order to turn it on, and then we can adjust the color temperature. In addition to that, we can also set a schedule. So if we set it always on, then of course we will be able to manually turn it on and off. We can also set it to sunset to sunrise, so then we don't really need to set it up to turn it on and off by ourselves. The device will do that for us, and we can set it to custom in order to choose the start and end time when we want it to use and when not. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!